Yes, I'm white, my name is Beast and I'm from the East. I fucking hate rap, but I'm tired of this crap that you be dropping while your dad's out shopping like a bitch. Your mom's getting my toppings on her tits. My skills are matched, I'm on top of the world. Make some noise for the little boys and girls. Yes, it was only a dream, your dad's enjoying my cream.
I saw the look in your fucking eyes while your mama was saying goodbye. Don't forget who made you, son, your mama swallowed my cum.
Wait, what? My mama swallowed your cum?
Yes, she will.
Dad's just a fucking bum. I can't hear you again, my balls are on your chin. Get the fuck out, bitch, you can't touch this shit. I'm like a god when it comes to this. I fucked your girl while taking a piss. Your rhymes are overrated, shit, I just masturbated. You drive a red truck?
Yeah, bitch.
Damn, you're whack as fuck.
You say my rhymes are overrated? At least I'm not fucking hated. You say you fucked my girl while taking a piss?
Sure did.
Is that the best you got with that weak ass diss? I told you before, you're nothing without me. So act like a monkey and go climb a tree. I'm tired of your weak ass disses. Let's get hardcore and give my butt cheek kisses.
I'll go climb a tree when your mom gets off her knees. Your dad's a slut, he likes it up the butt. I spit my rhymes till I drop. I'll make your mom scream till she pops.
I'm tired of your shit. I'm gonna just drop you, bitch.